Can I show you how to cure this coaster in 2 hours or less? That's right. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. Come inside and I'll show you how. In this video, right here, you're going to see an unboxing of something spectacular. This is a resin heating plate by O'Hatter, and this is me showing you exactly what comes in the box. Look in the description below and you will get the video on how to use this amazing resin heating plate. This may just be the trailer. Please set the notification for the full video. If not, find the link in the description below. This is a game changer for anyone who makes resin coasters or any kind of resin projects. You'll be amazed at how easy this is to use and how fast you'll be curing those resin projects. What took 24 hours will now take you 2. I put some things inside of here, but I think over time and with use that this will stay open without a problem. I really do believe that. Down for a while. It'd stay a little better in the morning. You just have to be a little careful when you're using it. But this is a game changer for resin.